What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AJB.img. Just bringing y'all back another POV today. We're gonna go on a quick drive today to the range. Haven't dropped a video in like a month, man. It's been raining out here in the Bay Area. I'm in Oakland, but it's been raining, so it's been hard to take the cars out and actually do anything fun with them. But now this weekend's like 70 degrees. Today's gonna be pretty nice out, so I figured why not take the car out for a spin, see what's good. Also got this new GoPro Hero 12 Black Edition. I like it a lot. Seems like the content will be good with it. So just looking forward to capturing more POV content. I do have this little head strap on, which is a little frustrating. I got a lot of hair on my head, so it does make me look like Mickey Mouse. So I will most likely be putting the damn hat on when I ride with this. I don't want to use one with the brim because it's still going to be way too elevated, I think. And that's also one thing too. I'm just trying to make sure I have it calibrated so you guys aren't in the headliner of the damn car where you can't really see the street POV. I'm trying to make sure the angle is right on this little headpiece that I have. So just wanted to show you guys that real quick. But yeah, most likely I'll probably be using my hat today because it'll be a lot easier. It'll compress my hair down. But as far as updates go, on the cars, we got the Miata right in front of us, as you can see. Waiting on the Fly Miata Stage 1 Turbo Kit to come out for NA6 for this car. Just got wheel bearings done all the way around. Just got tie rods done all the way around. So yeah, we're waiting on this Turbo Kit to come out. We'll get a new clutch. I just ordered some new motor mounts. And yeah, we'll get a compression test and a leak down test to make sure the motor is healthy before we drop that kit in. And yeah, we're gonna go stupid in that car once it's done. But for now, we're just chilling, kind of daily driving it around as usual. This car, pretty stock as well, besides kind of the mods I've told you about in the previous videos. I have seen videos of GEP-tuned Genesises, I guess is how they say, Genesises. But you know, I think I'm gonna keep this car fairly stock because I don't think the performance upgrades, I mean, I can get an E85 map or a 93 map and, you know, probably better cooling. I mean, the tune itself, I think, tunes the engine as well as the transmission. But, you know, I don't think the upgrades are gonna be that, you know, astronomical that it's worth it, right? Like, I'm only gonna gain like 20 or 30 wheel horsepower at the most, which I don't think is really worth it. If the motor might be at a disadvantage if, you know, the timing is increased and all that stuff. So yeah, I don't know. I don't really know. I'm still thinking about it. He did make a great point though. And again, this guy is called GEP-tuned or GEP-tuned. He's, it sounds like he's from like Eastern Europe or something like that, but he's located in Florida. So he's a tuner. Yeah, he did mention though that this car could use some headers. So I think that would be a great idea. I feel like Hyundai definitely failed on this car in terms of being able to just make it, you know, tunable and upgradable. Even something like headers, you know, alone would make this car probably boost, you know, 20-30 horsepower or so, which would be nice. And you can get a full exhaust system with it as well, just better flow. But yeah, today, again, we're gonna take the car out for a spin. Also, I got dragy. So again, way to, you know, track your vehicle performance. I'll be taking this up to probably Skyline Boulevard along with other, you know, nice open roads for auto and motorcycle enthusiasts in the Bay Area to check out. And I'll be tracking some 0 to 60 times, some quarter-mile times and whatnot. I just charged it. I just got it. So hopefully we'll be getting some content on this. And then when that's done, we can also do the same thing there and try to get some runs as well if we can see some cool cars. I'll be trying to wear this damn thing on my head as much as I can when I'm driving this car. So if I find any, you know, other cars out there, any, you know, G35s, 350Z, 370Zs, some Scat Packs, you know, I'm not the fastest on the road, but you know, you get the idea. I'm coming for your head. All right. So, anyways, that's enough talking. We're going to get on the road. We're going to try to, you know, it usually takes me about 35 minutes to get over to the range. Hopefully we'll try to cut that time down in half, you know, and avoiding any tickets along the way. But yeah, I'm going to catch y'all in the next segment when we get close to the highway. Peace.
Walking up the moon, his family walking up the moons cause he got a room. I'm in Brookfield trapping, we the only goons. If we get caught with a slip, we might make the news. Then whip up the dead bro. break records, I make all the rules there. Alright, they call me Lil Wayne, life coach. Shit, the cost 6 racks, that's $30,000 for the watch. I lied. It's 32 to be exact. I can't justify why I shoot at you if you're a rat. Now you really love me like you say you do. And get me tired if you can follow me with the boys too. It's a plan. Okay, she dancing outside on the car for me. Okay, she dancing outside on the car. Yeah. Okay, she dancing outside on the car for me. This city ranch. I don't think it's funny. Get on the real line. You can tell myself, my brains, my brains, take my kid. I ain't out selling dope, but I be cutting up. Trying to hit him in his head, doing one and done. Pocketed a dime off the best up to another club. Made 150 off the tour, let's do another one. 850 for the dunks, the peanut butter ones. Like my nigga told me, as soon as you get hot, add Crisco. You can throw the bags on me easy, cause I flip those. Flip niggas still push our action through a flip phone. I used to wanna do it, but I didn't. Niggas hip wrong. Whole ass hanging at the bag, but the stock long. Switch that shit off for something black, cause it's hot chrome. Oversized V.
A lot of traffic, so once we get through this traffic into this next exit, I'll resume again in the next segment. Peace. And we are back. So we had to do a little detour. They had a little something going on. I don't know if it's a funeral or what, but I just had to do a little detour going from Oakland to Richmond. For those of you that don't know, we're in the East Bay. We're coming from Berkeley right now because we just took a little detour. We're about to get back on the freeway, get where we need to go. Bad drivers, man. People can't merge. They don't know what they're doing out here. It's just the worst. Look at that. It's ridiculous now. Anyways. not the G, so the G80? Looks like it. Not the Beamer. Not the Beamer down. That's not good. Woo! Let's go. We're like 2 minutes away. We're not even that far away. Hopefully this camera is capturing the footage and it's not too tilted and y'all are able to see. But yeah, man, car meets, man. I don't go to too many car meets. If any of you guys own this car, there are some meets I think in the South Bay area, but I noticed that a lot of meets, just people just stand around. It's pretty boring, it's pretty lame. I'd rather go on drives, you know, or do something where I'm actually taking the car out and not just standing around with, you know, my quote-unquote friends. So definitely looking forward to the summer. Take this car out a bit more. Baby, let's go. Push this baby to the limit. That's what we bought it for. Anyways, we about at the range, boys. About to go bust some shots, man. Bust some caps real quick, man. Nah, that's my my fake Bay Area accent. But yeah, we're about to go bust some shots over here at the range. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. A little drive with me today. Probably finish my workout after this. I got in a workout earlier before I came. I'll probably get another one after this since I got a lot going on a little bit later. But yeah, look out for more content. I'll definitely be taking the car out probably to Skyline Boulevard or various trails where I do POVs. And as well as I'll be bringing out Dragy next to kind of see what times I can capture in this car based on the basic ass mods that I have so far. So yeah, if y'all like the video, don't forget to give your boy a like, a share, a subscribe. Tell your mama, tell your dad, tell your aunt, tell your grandmama, tell your granddad, tell your cousin. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. AJB.img and we out. Peace.